Hello and welcome to my first ever actual horror game video ever. It's super freaking awesome. It's known as White Noise. Some of you might know it or some of you might not, but it is amazing. So let's get this started. Alright. Because we hardcore like that.
We only got one save, but yet we played it on Nightmare and we completed it.
Yeah.
It makes no sense. Now we went from Loki.
Yeah. I will come back whenever it starts up. Okay, and we are ready. There are only 3 people, but we're good. Oh, me and you? That's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Here's the leader.
Hey, quit that. If you're gonna be in here,
That's screaming.
yeah, if you're gonna be in here, then you can't scream, okay? Because... Are you following me?
Screaming.
Alright. It's my sister.
That's screaming.
Rylan, seriously, stop.
Stop.
Big dildo. That's a big dildo.
That's not a dildo.
It's a dildo.
That is not. It is a freaking totem.
Oh.
It is a totem.
I always thought that was a big green dildo.
Well then. Back to work.
Oh. Your worst nightmare, Jameson. Sword. Ow.
Okay.
That's okay, guys.
I'm not sure if the guy...
Sorry.
I'm not sure if everybody can hear you. I'm not sure if everybody can hear you right now, so I'm gonna turn it up a little bit.
Yes? Okay, can you hear me now?
I'm pretty sure they can hear you now.
Yes, lock. I'm getting scared.
Rylan, seriously, quit. Alright. I would say we're doing pretty well. We haven't found anything, but we're doing well.
And I'm dead.
What?
I'm joking.
Yeah, because normally,
I'm going to tell you guys a story. One time me and him was playing this, he was the last one. He got stuck on a door and he died.
stuck in a freaking door.
And it's a true story.
Yeah. Man,
Do it or else I'm dying. Because my heart rate is like bursting.
Ah, crap. Battery problems. Oh, well. Man, it's super dark.
What?
It is super dark.
You know what I'm doing?
Are you following? Stop that.
Flashing your light makes them come towards you. He's behind us, I can tell, but don't look. Ew, big green dildo.
Hey, turn off the light. Turn off the light. Jesus. Thank you.
Ow! I'm gonna switch the light.
And if you guys can't tell, I am playing this on the projector, and it is ginormous. I hear the tape. There it is. Got it.
Oh god, this is where scary crap happens.
Oh God, turn around. Turn
Merry
around.
Christmas!
Yep. Christmas.
We're not going that way.
That's right. Okay. Let's keep going. Keep her going. Just keep her going. Let me check the battery life. Okay, I got enough battery. Alright, we gotta find those pages quick, though. I don't got that much battery life.
It said walk, not sprint. He's around that corner. I'm joking.
Alright, this way. The path is clear. I thought you liked being in the back.
Well, I do, but now I kind of hate it. Especially whenever it's just the two of us.
You don't feel that safe? Do not worry, for I am a brave leader.
Eh.
Yeah, well, maybe not brave, but I get stuff done.
Like me.
Okay, here's a big freaking dark room. This ought to be nice.
Hate it.
Yes, tape. Shelves are not nice. Cabinets, I hate
This
you.
is where you died, actually.
Yeah, I got stuck right here. I think. Man, we spent like 7 minutes in here. I hear a tape. There it is.
Oh, crap, Gravestone. That's where I died one time.
Just keep it going.
The Gravestone's are where you die, I think.
Ah. Man, I could definitely record on this projector. It comes out really nicely. You following still?
Yeah.
Alright. Just making sure. Come on, sprint a little bit.
Don't run.
Don't run.
Don't run.
Run?
No.
Hey, look behind you. That didn't sound good. Sounded like you died. Did you die?
Yeah, I died.
Well, crap. And now my light's flickering. Just great. And I hear the Mansta. I hear the Mansta too. I'm so happy right now. And I kinda need to pee. Ain't that a good thing?
Where'd you go?
I'm in the cabinets.
Oh, cabinet. Crap.
That's great.
I hate cabinets. Let's see.
More cabinets. I hate cabinets. Cabinets, get out of here.
Oh, crap. I think I'm on your trail because I just came to another room with cabinets.
Here's a control room. I'm just going forward. so freaking scared right now.
I kind of do not want to play this anymore.
Oh, hey there. That's nice. I think I'm starting to go loco.